Okay, now it's time for some social coherence building, where Josh and Jess lead courses on coherence and authenticity.
Okay, here you go. Is this the one we should use?
You can use either or.
You guys excited for ETH Denver? That's pretty good. I know I am, though. You guys really excited for ETH Denver? Yeah. And are you guys excited to make some new valuable connections at ETH Denver? Right, because here's the thing. We talk a lot about coherence at scale with the blockchain, but equally important is your ability to build trust and social coherence in your live connections. Would you agree? Good. So we're going to spend the next 10 minutes giving you some simple tools to do that quickly and easily. Sound good? Good. Oh, and you're going to make a couple new connections along the way. Okay? So Jess is going to take it away in a minute. First, we just need to practice something. This is going to be an interactive exercise in which you'll be sharing with a neighbor. So we need a signal for when it's time for you to stop talking and pay attention to us immediately. Okay? That signal is, got it? All right, let's practice. So everybody pretend to be talking. Yap, 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 yap. Just pretend to be talking. Yap, 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 yap. Good, good, good. All right, good. You guys got it. Here's Jess.
Okay, so here's what's going to happen first. You are going to turn to someone near you and partner up with them. So do that now silently.
Could be next to you, in front of you, behind you.
In front of you, even people up here on the stairs and up there, here on the sides. Okay, if you don't have a partner, raise your hand. Raise your hand if you don't have a partner. Okay, and find another person with their hand raised.
Ready?
Yep. Okay. So in a moment, you're going to complete some prompts to get to know one another. And
first person is going to go and have just 45 seconds to speak, and then you're going to switch, right, on your own, and then the next person is going to go and have another 45 seconds.
Okay.
And at the end, you want to say that part?
Sure. At the end of the 90 seconds, Josh will whistle, and then you got to stop talking. We got to stay on schedule here. So, okay, the person in your pair with the shortest hair will begin. So, see who that is. Okay. And the first prompt is, what brings me to ETH Denver is, so shortest hair, begin.
Switch mics. Five more seconds. And okay. Come to silence and hear the next prompt. Listen for the next prompt. The next prompt is, if you really knew me, you would know ... It's a little bit more of a personal reveal. If you really knew me, you would know this time it's the longer-haired partner who goes first. 45 seconds and begin. Go. Switch. If you haven't switched, switch. And good. I see some people that look like they're having fun. This is great. Who's having fun? Anybody having fun? Good. All right, now this crazy thing is going to happen, okay? Your pair is going to merge with another pair right near you. So, could be next to you, in front of you, behind you. Look around, point at who you're merging with. Point. If you don't have a pair, raise your hand. Find somebody with their hand raised. Merge them together, pairs. Find one another. And good, looking good. If there's a couple sixes, that's okay. Just, if you're orphaned, just glom on somewhere for right now. You'll be good. All right, and okay, listen for the prompt. And here we go.
Okay, so check it out. This time, the person with the darkest shirt in your group is, I love everybody looking down. If you have the darkest shirt in your group, you're going first, okay, of the four of you. So please listen. What you're gonna do is introduce your partner to the people you just turned to, right? You're gonna introduce your partner to the people you just turned to. Tell them something that you want them to know about your partner. You'll have 45 seconds. Darkest shirt, begin.
What I'm thinking is
And
Okay. And now, if you have the darker color shirt in the other pair, now you're going to introduce your partner to the new people. Tell them something that you heard your partner say,
that you want them to know.
that you want them to know.
I know these shares are super short, and when I whistle, sometimes it's mid-sentence, but we got to keep it moving. So here you go, 45 seconds, darker shirt in the second pair. Go ahead.
30.
And wrap it up.
Okay, come to silence, please. Now we're back to the first pair again. If you were the one with the lighter shirt in the first pair, now you introduce your partner. Again, what you heard them say to the new people. Begin. Okay. And there should be one more person, right? One more person to go. If it's the lightest shirt in the second pair, go ahead. It's your turn.
Some of you might have more than 4 in your group, so some of you won't get to go, but go ahead.
40. Whistle. Okay, so give a sign of acknowledgement to your crew. Maybe a 4-way high five if you want. And settle back into your seats.
Settle, settle, settle into your seats. Okay, by a show of hands, who feels more connected and coherent with this ETH Denver community than you did 10 minutes ago? Cool, that's what we're going for. I invite you to use these prompts to rapidly build social coherence with one another over the course of this weekend. Thank you.
Enjoy ETH Denver, enjoy the hackathon. Thank you for your attention.